Hello and welcome back. So today we're going to be messing around with the Scx24s a little bit again. I picked up this Hot Racing diff covers. They weigh 9 grams of brass. And my local hobby store started carrying parts for the Scx24 and other 24-inch scale crawlers. Scale crawlers. Well, let's throw this on here. I've already done the front. And I will tell you that the little stainless steel screws that come with these do strip out very easily, so be mindful of that when you're doing this. I'm going to go ahead and pull the back off. And as you can see, actually let me go ahead and cut this open so we can have a look at it right now. I can show you how much thicker this new one is. Now this new plate is easily twice as thick as the old one. And when you are removing the bearing out of the old one, it is in there pretty tight, so you have to pry a little bit on it. But I'm going to go ahead and throw that on. We'll have a look at it. And I'm also 3D printing a roof rack right now. When that gets done, I'm going to throw that on there too. And we'll take them out and test it. Okay, so got everything all bolted back together in the roof rack. 3D printed out and on there with a couple of sand ladders and couple little custom made bungee cords I made for it. We got our brass in the front, brass in the back. Yeah, I got the little angry eyes grill. It's been 3D printed out. Now these little bungee cords, just take them right loose. And you have a set of functional sand ladders that fit these tires pretty good. I'll get this thing out and give it a crawl on the rocks and see how it does. And since you're here, you might as well have a sneak peek at the other project I'm working on. So this is my Element Enduro. Element Enduro 24 I've been working on. I repainted the body. And I bought some little RC 4-wheel drive Super Swamper boggers. And I 3D printed out some beadlock rims, 3-piece beadlocks. I got all the stuff I 3D printed out come from Yegi.com. It's a free site anybody can go to. It doesn't cost you anything to download from there. So, and these fit together pretty snug. I've already got one just held together, and it's holding together pretty nice. We'll take a closer look at that later. All right, let's get this thing out on the rocks. Alright, so that'll conclude our test of the brass, and the other things are just for looks, but I think it did pretty good. I'd like it to be a little wider. I'm still going to get some offsets. So, all in all, though, not too bad. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video.